So see students, hydrocarbons means the compound which is made from carbon and hydrogen, as I've taught you, this alkanes, alkenes and alkynes. Now there are saturated hydrocarbons and unsaturated hydrocarbons. So alkane is a saturated hydrocarbon because it consists of single bond. And then when there is presence of single bond, all the spaces are equally occupied properly, and there is no space, or there is no place which is left vacant. So such kind of hydrocarbons are known as saturated hydrocarbons, while unsaturated hydrocarbons are somewhat like this. Now this is the structure of ethene with double bond, and now only four hydrogen atoms we can fix around this carbon atoms with double bond. So that is why such kind of hydrocarbons are known as unsaturated hydrocarbon. Then as I've taught you that there are alkynes also, as I've taught you over here, that the molecular formula is C2H2 and the structural formula is somewhat like this. There is a presence of triple bond, and that is why we can have only this two hydrogen atoms around this carbon triple bond atom. So because such kind of compounds are unsaturated, because these are satisfying the valency of carbon, as carbon is tetravalent atom. See, these are the triple bonds, 1 2 3, and this is the fourth one. So this is how the valency of carbon is satisfied over here. But as there are still you can see that the spaces are left, we cannot fix more carbon hydrogen atoms or any other elements over here. Such kind of hydrocarbons are known as unsaturated hydrocarbons. So keep this into mind, that this alkenes and alkynes are unsaturated hydrocarbons, while this alkane is a saturated hydrocarbon. And then this open chain hydrocarbons are known as aliphatic hydrocarbons, and as I've taught you the benzene ring, such kind of hydrocarbons are known as aromatic hydrocarbons. Now you can see the electron dot structure of ethane over here, that this is ethane molecule. There is going to be presence of a single bond between carbon and between these two carbon atoms, because they are sharing only one pair of electron, and that is only single bond. And here also these hydrogen atoms are going to be attached with carbon atoms with single bond. So the electron dot structure of ethane is going to be somewhat like this. And this is the electron dot structure of ethene, because there is presence of double bond, as this carbon is sharing two pair of electrons with this carbon. Both are sharing two pair of electrons with this carbon. That is why there's going to be a double bond between them, and the hydrogen atoms are going to be attached with this carbon atoms with a single bond like this. And this is how the electron dot structure of ethene. Ethane will not come over here. Here is one mistake, and here ethene will come. So do here E instead of A. So this is how the saturated and the unsaturated hydrocarbons are. This one is the saturated hydrocarbon, ethane, while this one is the unsaturated hydrocarbon, that is ethene. And if you take ethyne, that is acetylenes or alkynes, see the molecular formula of ethane is C2H2. These are also unsaturated hydrocarbons. So keep all such things into mind. Then straight chains and branch chains and rings of carbon atoms I've already taught to you. So once again, go through this topic and go through the things as I've taught you, and kindly complete this table into your textbook. Also complete the same table into your notebook, and rest of the things we shall learn into next video. Till then, have a knowledgeable day. Thank you.